Tommy Lee Sparta wanted by police. Welcome back to the Sauna room. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely leave a comment in the comment section below. The St. James Police has listed dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta as a person of interest. Tommy Lee, given name Leroy Russell, is being asked to make contact with detectives at the Freeport Police Station in Montego Bay, St. James by midday on Tuesday, July 7. Law enforcement sources say that the police wants to question Tommy Lee Sparta regarding the upsurge of violence in the community of flankers. In the past, Tommy Lee has refuted any wrongdoing, claiming that he moved out of the community close to 80 years ago. Tommy Lee Sparta is known for songs such as Blessings, Under Vibes, and Spartan Soldier. Now guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and definitely turn on your notification bell when subscribed. Big up yourself. This is the Sauna room where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.